know it's Warlord representing for Horain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
You ready? Somebody say yeah, yeah. Get warm, right rankings. Are you ready for the parkway? Stop up, stop up, stop up. It's so yeah, that's it. I hear you over here. And we have to see. Who waited for Labor Day? Who was here on the pathway last year? Who went on the pathway this year? Put your money in the air. Everybody go, go, go. Take on the camera. Take on the camera. Oh man, New York, New York. This is the week of all weeks. I want you to know I'm here till Labor Day. I ain't playing around. On Friday, I'm at the Apollo. Anybody going to the Apollo Friday night? We still got tickets for Saturday and Sunday and Monday at the Apollo. Listen, if you're happy to be alive, happy to see you next Labor Day in New York City, hands in the air like this. You know what's my name? They call me the happiest man alive. Everybody go like this, side to side. All the West Indian flags. I want to hear them sing. Sing with me. You see me, love to play. Hey, you see me, I's a man. Happy that I have New York keys in my hand. But I don't want no time for no worries. Don't want no time for no stressing. Love on your mind, yeah. So if you're ready to live your life, I'm going to get the life. But for all my next life, play a master this life. I'm the happiest man alive. I'm going to do this life. Somebody say, oh. Anybody from Jamaica? Who are the most people here? Who are the most people here? There's between two islands, two countries. Two countries. When I call the biggest one, we jumping and waving right. Hold on. I said, anybody from Guyana? Anybody from Guyana? Anybody from Trinidad and Tobago? It's so epic to be among one Caribbean people. I love you all. Every island. We love carnival, right? Now I send it to the mayor. Our islands, we know about 2 days. Where the drone? We have a drone here tonight? Listen. Put the camera on the audience. You put the camera on the audience. We're gonna make a petition. We want 2 days carnival in New York City. We want Monday and Tuesday on the party. We got the keys. Sing with me. Boy, you listen. To sign this petition, every hand have to go in the air when I say it, alright? Not yet. Mr. Mayor, I hope you watch it. Sing with me. Listen, you we telling them. Hey, adrenaline rush. No stopping this line. You go do whatever you want. Tell them 2 days is it. 2 days will be fine. Put your hand in the air. 1, 2. Tonight? Anybody celebrating like? Yeah. What you like to drink? I'm talking to the island people. Who like to drink beer? Anybody love beer? That's for Americans. Only Americans drink beer. Hold on. I'm asking every island. You answer accordingly. Who love to drink champagne? 1, 2, 3, 4, sell out. You're a sellout. Champagne is for the stush. When you stush, We say go in the bush. We don't push. Alright, let me try this side. Anybody like to drink vodka? 1, 2, 3, look at you, sell out. Sell out, look. Vodka was made for Russia. Only in Russia they drink vodka. But check this one. This one gonna catch you. Anybody love to drink Hennessy? Look at all the sellouts. Sellout. Hennessy is cognac. That is for the French. The French, maybe Guadeloupe, maybe Dominica, maybe Saint Lucia. Cognac is for the French. What happened to you? Where are you from? I don't know about you, but where I'm from, we only drink one. One portion where I'm from. In the Caribbean, we drink that one. What it is? Say it louder. It is R-U-M. Who loves to drink rum? They're gonna have to shut us down tonight. They're gonna have to shut us down. This is the warm-up for the Apollo. Listen, New York, I'm inviting you to the Apollo this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Come see us. Alongside, we got Bajans in the house, Grenadians in the house. You know something? I gotta honor 2 islands right now. Look, I want to say congratulations to that red, green, yellow and black flag with white in it. For winning your first gold medal, Dominica. Make some noise for Tia LaFond. Make some noise, Dominica. Well, make some noise for the gold medal. All of you. And if you didn't know, a woman by the name of Alfred is the fastest woman in the world from St. Lucia. Make some noise for St. Lucia. I'm seeing my proud Caribbean people out here. Anybody from New York, like born in New York? Where the Americans? Like real Americans. Look, you see? Listen, I'm seeing all these islands, and I look over here, and I see white people. And he's in a Soca Kingdom, Jersey. Where you from, sir? What part of New York? I'm from New York, man. Look at it. He had the marriage accents and all. Listen, because you in a Soca Jersey, we're gonna welcome you to the West Indian family tonight. Can we welcome him? Yes, stand up, let them see you. As a matter of fact, come on. Let's sing to him and show him how we do it as one family. Come on, sing. Hello and greetings. First time we meeting. I hope you're leaving. He's singing word for word. I make this one. Please just like you grow up in the and this was his ladies. just like you love me. I want you to love me. Sing, baby. I can't hold it.